In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add a brim in Orca Slicer. Now, by adding a brim, we'll be able to fix some adhesive problems onto our 3D print right here. Of course, the first thing that you want to do is to grab your print onto your plate, and from there, you then want to click on the preview button. This will then slice the 3D model that we have, and basically inside you then want to navigate through the subcategories. So in our case, there's something like quality, strength, speed, support, and more. You can then navigate through the last option, which is going to be others, and if you scroll down, you have the brim options. Click on the brim type, and then in this situation we can add something like mouse ear, painted outer brim, and any other presets that we have. So I suggest using the outer brim only if this is the first time you're using a brim type, and from here of course you can customize the width and the object gap. And lastly, to go ahead and preview your brim, you can just click on the slice plate option, and from there you will be able to see the brim type that we have applied onto our 3D model. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.